I want to introduce Galaxy Buds Pro.
Galaxy Buds Pro are packed with pro sound quality. It's intelligent active noise cancellation.
The Buds Pro deliver 360 audio for realistic immersion. Buds Pro can detect head movements. When you turn your head, the audio will recalibrate and put you in the middle of the scene and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time.
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a shot of espresso with an extra boosted caramel?
With incredible sound quality, intelligent ANC, and our most secure fit ever, it's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things, and its coin-sized battery lasts for months. Will help you track down your favorite things. Imagine that you left your door open and your dog ran off. You'll be able to track him using SmartThings Find. If he's far away, the SmartTag on your dog's collar can send Bluetooth signals to a community of nearby Galaxy users who can help you track it down. You can attach a SmartTag to your wallet, your suitcase, or even your bicycle. But wouldn't it be great if you could find the precise location of your lost item? With Galaxy SmartTag Plus, you can. Thanks to UWB and AR Finder, Galaxy SmartTag Plus will help you locate your belongings with unprecedented accuracy. We've made cases to fit all your needs and to show off your unique style. You can get a SmartTag on January 29th, and you'll be able to get a SmartTag Plus later this year.
The Galaxy S21.
Show me what you got.
We give you different options to fit your unique style. With an adaptive screen that goes between 48 and 120 hertz. And its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display. With 8K video snacks, you can pull photos from your videos at 33 megapixels. Now you can see preview thumbnails from all your camera lenses while you shoot. That way, you can easily change angles, zoom in, go wide, close up, all while filming. 5G makes it possible to take your favorite games with you.
It's ready to delight users with a refined design and empower them with enhanced customization. Our latest UI mixes style and function. Comfort and efficiency were our top priorities. The new design has so many enhanced visual effects. The lock screen now comes with new widgets. Message notifications are grouped together. It even handles low-resolution photos, like the old ones on your social media feed. One UI 3 provides seamless continuity between phone, tablet, and computer.
And with Object Eraser on One UI 3, I just simply tap the people I want to remove, like say this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right? S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th. S21 and S21 Plus are breakthroughs in smartphone technology. They have an intelligent refresh rate, 4 cutting-edge camera lenses, and performance powered by a secure processor to keep you more connected to everything you care about. Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
This is a true pro camera.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108 megapixel image sensor. Low light situations provide a more challenging environment. A set of 9 pixels are combined into one larger pixel. This ensures the sensor gets enough light to produce bright, detailed photos, and in extreme darkness, when even the human eye struggles to see. The S21 Ultra sensor uses AI for a powerful night mode experience. This is possible even in conditions of extreme darkness under 0.1 lux. The results are stunning. From 10 to 100 times zoom, image quality is boosted by powerful super resolution AI. The 4-lens optical system provides a range of optimized focal lengths, including one for intense macro shots, laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject.
12-bit RAW files in Pro mode. This phone has 3 times more dynamic range than photos on the S20. 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. And we created a striking color to match. Introducing Phantom Black.
There is only one perfect black that absorbs almost all light. Then,
Your phone will automatically shift between 10 and 120 hertz. Our improved, super smooth scrolling experience in WQHD Plus resolution. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display, 25% brighter than Galaxy S20 Ultra, with 50% more contrast and 100% color volume, and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. It puts precision at your fingertips. You can use it to write, draw, and make more precise edits. We're introducing 2 new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love, like using Air Actions to snap a photo remotely, control your music player, or click through a presentation. You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99. Choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries. From the Phantom Black finish and our brightest, smartest display, to cameras powered by a revolutionary sensor and our most powerful chip, to our first ever S Pen compatibility on a Galaxy S device, S21 Ultra charts a new course in the mobile category to make your every experience better.
And our chargers will remain available for anyone who wants one at the new, lower price.
Now that's innovation. You'll also be able to start or stop your engine from the app and turn on your AC or heater before you even get in the driver's seat, making it easier than ever to bring the power of your smartphone to your car. Thanks to deep integration with Android Auto and SmartThings, you can control your home from the dashboard of your car. Coming home. So while I drive home, my house does the work for me. Android Auto will pop up on my dashboard to ask if I want to start the welcome home scene. So the lights will switch on and the garage door will open. With Digital Key, you'll be able to open the door of your house with your mobile device. You'll be able to unlock your car door with your phone. The door will unlock when you reach it. You'll even be able to share your digital key across smartphones, regardless of brand or platform. I can send the key to my friend. Our UWB-enabled digital key, and with UWB, you can rely on AR Finder to guide you directly to the car. We're partnering with the world's largest car companies to take your auto experience to the next level.